Hello, hello, hello. Good morning to everybody. Can you hear me? Yeah. Today some network problem occurred. That's why lately connected. In a previous class, what I'm telling, maybe last demo classes, these are okay. Just observe it here. In a previous classes, what I told, Oracle is a relational data model product. That is a database product. What is the purpose of this database product? Means to store data permanently. If we want to operate a Oracle database, then we are using SQL, PL and dynamic SQL languages. Up to that one, you have an idea. Now observe it here, concentrate. Actually, Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, Sybase, these are relational data model products. These relational data model products are works based on set of rules. This is so many fellows are doesn't know. Now, very important common rules in every relational database I will tell you today. Either in MySQL you are learning, or SQL Server you are learning, or DB2 you are learning, Sybase you are learning, Ingress you are learning, Postgres you are learning, anything also same rules are there. What are the rules? Please observe it here, concentrate here. Suppose you are joining in a project, for example, in a company side, in a database. Main transactions are stored in a where master table. Just observe it here. Table format, no, relational database means. Main transactions, observe it here. Main transactions are stored in master table. Main transactions are stored in which table? Master table. Master table. Those related child transactions are stored in a child table. Those related child transactions are stored in child table, or this child table is also called as detailed table. Detailed table. Actually, in a real-time project side, so many master and child tables are there. Okay, fine. Why they are giving data security point of view, I will tell you. First, observe it here. Suppose today, very popular tables, Oracle Corporation provided those tables only. Whenever you are installing in a future Oracle software, those tables are available. Don't worry. Those predefined tables through today, I will tell you those transactions, master and child tables. Today, I will show you most popular tables. Interviewer also asking about those tables. Those tables based on interview questions. Now check it out. Suppose Oracle provided a what? One big table. What is that one means? EMP is a table. This is an employee table. Employee details they are storing only. This is a little bit of big table. Again, another table they are providing only a small table. What is the table? DEPT is a table. This is a department table. In these two tables, one of the table is master table, one of the table is child table Oracle provided. Without any knowledge, you are a first time newcomer. Which one is a master table? Which one is a child table? You are telling me is great, really. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Now observe it here. Maybe today, without technical knowledge also, you are telling, I think, then only technical I will tell you. Suppose this is a Oracle software. In a future, you are also storing, installing only whenever we are starting a regular session. These are demo sessions. Just observe it here 1 or 2 days. And now check it out. Here, this is a table is there. Observe it here. Select a star from. What is select? Don't worry. That is SQL language command. EMP is a table. This is a little bit of big table. Observe it here. In this EMP table, now here columns, observe it here. Daily, you are creating these type of tables. Don't worry. Now here, how many columns are there? Check it out. 1, 2. These are called columns. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Why you are counting those columns? I am telling me is write a query which counts the number of columns in a table in a future entry question. That's why. Now, how many columns are there? Here, 8 columns are available. Again, how many rows are there? Here, rows. These are called rows or records. Horizontally, something is there, no? Same like a matrix. These are called rows. Here, 7369 is the employee number. His name is Smith. He is getting, sorry, he is, okay, his job is what? Clerk designation. Now here, his manager is 7902. His date of joining 17th December 1980. So now here salary is 800. He is not getting taking a what in a bonus. He belongs to 20th department. Some details are there. Don't worry. Now these are called rows only. Okay, now how many rows are there? 14 rows are there. Observe here. Little bit of big table is there. Yes, here how many columns are available? 8 columns are available. How many rows are available? 14 rows are available. Okay, fine. Again, another table, practice purpose, Oracle Corporation provided. What is the table? A small table is there. What is that one? DEPT is a table. Maybe department table, this one. Okay, na? Yeah. In this DEPT table, here department number is a column, D name is a column, location is a column. Only 3 columns are available. How many rows are there? Here 4 rows are available. Anybody without any knowledge also, maybe guess it. Which one is a master table? Which one is a child table? Really, what is master? What is child? You don't have an idea also. Maybe some Java developers are there in our class. Some Python developers are there. Some AI developers are there. Those persons experience based only. I'm asking some questions. And now here, yes, here. In these 2 tables, maybe some fellows are interested to guess only. And now here, which table is a master table? Which one is a child table? EMP master or DEPT is a master, or EMP is a child, or DEPT is child, or DEPT is a master, EMP child, or EMP is a master, DEPT is child, or DEPT is a child, or EMP is a master. Confusing. Very good. And now observe it here. Suppose I am a first time newcomer. Observe it here, like you. Otherwise, some other fellows also telling, Murali sir, nothing is there. EMP is a master table. They are telling, so many fellows are first time newcomer. I am also, not only you, I am also telling about EMP is a what? EMP is a what? A master table. We are telling generally like that only. Now here, but unfortunately, this is wrong one. EMP is not a master table. Why so many students first time newcomers? Otherwise, Java developers also, I am also, you are also telling about this wrong answer. Why means reason is there. Maybe psychologically, master and child means maybe master means parent, child means child. We are imagination. Maybe so many fellows are size based only. They are telling only. Suppose in this case, EMP table is a very big size is a big size. Yeah. Oh, maybe big size means a parent. Now here again, a small size is there. What is that one? Here DPT is a small size only. That's why this is a small means a child only. They are thinking, okay, but unfortunately, size based. Okay, this is a okay. You are telling only. That's why wrong one. Not a size based. Technically, some other concept is there. I will tell you today. Very important technical concept. Now observe here. Very good. Some fellows are guessing great only. Now DEPT is a master table. Now DEPT is a master table. Very good. Some fellows are telling great. DEPT is a master table. How they are telling, I don't know. Yes, either maybe logically or technically, I don't know. DEPT is a master table. Correct answer. And EMP is a child table. Very good. EMP is a child table. Why means I will tell you. Don't worry. The technical concepts I will tell you today. EMP is a what? Child table. Correct. 100% correct. We are guessing a what? DEPT is a master. EMP is a child. Why so many times I've repeated this one means in a 1978 only, Scott was designed these tables. 1978 in an automation project side. Observe it here so many years back. Why I am telling these tables repeatedly means these tables are well normalized tables. According to third normal form, he is designing a what? These tables only. That's why these are most powerful, popular tables. And now, okay, fine. And now check it out. Concentrate here. How you are given the guarantee DEPT is a master, EMP is a child. Means simple technique is there. And now observe it here. 1 minute, observe it here. Just in these 2 tables without any knowledge also, any common column is there. Check it out. In these 2 tables. Anybody observing? In a common column. Same column is there in both the tables. Anybody checking? Tell me which column is the same. Very good. One fellow is telling correct. DEPT number. Observe here. Department number. This common column based only total concept. Whenever related tables are there, common column first you have to check it out. DEPT number here. Here also department number is there. Very good. This common column based. Now check it out. Concentrate. In this department number, 1 minute, observed here, 1 minute only. DEPT table department numbers values observed here. 10, 20, 30, 40 DEP table. But in EMP table, department numbers are here 10, again 10, again 20, again 20, again 30 is there. Now check it out. Concentrate here. For example, I am drawing the what a diagram is, then you are understandable. How much powerful this one, I will tell you. Okay, so now this one based only so many things you are learning in a future. Observe here. Suppose screen observe it, 5 minutes observe it here. Because these tables you are creating in a real time only. These type of primary key something today I will tell you. DEPT is a table is there. In this DEPT table, here department number is a column. Again D name is a column. Again location is a column is there. Okay, na? Yeah. Here like this. All the columns I am not interested to write. Now here EMP table is there. Fastly observe it here. In this EMP table, so many columns are there. Now here, now what are the columns are there? Employee number, e-name, job, MGR, like this. So many columns are there. Observe it here. All the columns I am not interested to write. Just subject awareness purpose. Here and now here one last column. Which column is available? DEPT number is available. Here observe here DEPT number. Now first we have to check it out. In these two tables, which one is a common column? Here department number is a column, common column. This common column first you have to check it out. In a database related table means common column. This common column based only they are establishing a relation. How means technical I will tell you SQL now long ways through. Now here observe it here. Yes. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Now here common column okay, but unfortunately that data observe it here 1 minute only. Here data. The data based only totally something is there. Now check it out. Here 1 minute only. Here DEPT table department number column observe it here DEPT table department number column data. This is data. 10 is there. No, this is data. Here 10 is there. Again 10 is there. Anybody observe here? Again 10, again 10, again 10, again 10, again 10, again 10, again 10 is there. No. Here 10 how many times are there? Only one time is there. That's why duplicate data is not available. 10, 10, 10, 10 is called duplicate data. Duplicate data is not available. 10 is only one time is available. Observe it here. 10 is one time is available. Here 20 is one time only available. Here 30 is one time only available. 40 is one time available. That's why observe here. Observe here. Whenever common columns are there, in one of the common column does not accept any duplicate data. This common column is also called as primary key. That's why relational data model products means primary key, foreign key. Some concepts are there. Don't worry. Primary key means uniquely identification of the record in a table, at least without any knowledge also. Yes, primary key does not accept duplicate data. Observe it here. Again observe it here. Again observe it here. Here department number is a column is there in EMP table. Here duplicate data is there. Here 10 is there. Again 10 is there. Anybody observing later? Okay, now yeah, again 20. Again 20, 20, 20, 20 like this. Again 30. Again 30 is there. That's why whenever common columns are there, one common column having a what? Duplicate data. This common column is also called as which one? Foreign key. Oh, maybe without any knowledge also. Foreign key accepts a what? Duplicate data. Oh, maybe something is there. Foreign key. Okay, na? Here foreign key something is there. Don't worry. Foreign key means establishing a relation between the tables in a future. Don't worry. Oh, maybe without any knowledge also today, a foreign key accepts duplicate data. Primary key does not accept duplicate data. Whenever related tables are there, primary key is available. That table is also called as master table. That's why this is a technical concept. This is a master table. That's why primary key based, oh, maybe something based only. This is a master table. Again, here foreign key is available. This table is also called as what? child table. Okay, na? Foreign key table is also called as child table. This is a child table for this master table. This is a master table for this child table. Okay, na?